Juneau, where the mountains fall straight into the sea.
Rule 1 in Juneau: dress for 4 seasons in 1 hour.
Orca Bay, here we come.
This is the launch point for whale country.
We watch, never chase.
Locked in.
Eyes up. Cameras ready.
We're heading into the inside passage. Favorite channel, Stephen's Passage. This is prime feeding water.
Juneau always gives you a bonus scene.
That's the smell of adventure. Salt and spruce.
Look for the spout like a breath of fog. There. That's it.
We're guests out here. Whoa. That curve, that's a humpback.
Don't shake. Don't blink.
The fluke. That's the goodbye wave. That's the goodbye wave.
Every tail has a fingerprint.
This place makes you whisper without trying.
No way, it jumped.
I'll replay that in my head forever and forever.
Like they own the place.
Hot drink hits different at sea.
Oh, CGN, did you see that fin? Out here, patience is part of the magic.
We left as strangers and came back changed.
I can still hear the ocean in my ears.
Juneau isn't just scenery. There's deep culture here too.
Every line feels like a story set in cedar.
Time to learn properly.
This is the heartbeat behind the postcard.
Look close. Skill lives in the details.
Alaska tastes like the sea, in the best way. Juneau slows down beautifully at dusk.
Tomorrow, glaciers. Even the rain feels cinematic here.
Alaska, we see you.
Glacier Day mean layers and traction.
It's wild how lush this far north can be.
There it is, Mendenhall.
That blue isn't paint, it's time. Mini quest. Reach Nugget Falls.
Everything here looks, hydrated.
Softest forest on Earth.
That color means glacier flower, tiny rock dust.
Ice with trapped centuries of air.
Hear that? We're close. Free face spray.
Somewhere in there, the ice is moving.
It's beautiful and it's changing.
Back through the rainforest, like a soft tunnel.
Now the glacier makes sense in 3D.
Souvenir, but make it educational.
Quest to find whales from shore.
No boat this time. No boat this time, just patience.
Come on, give me one spout.
Three clues: spout, birds, and that glassy whale slick.
Even the sky is helping us spot them.
I need proof this wasn't a dream.
Future me, remember this feeling. The small stuff feels alive.
Juneau sunset, soft, cold, perfect.
Look at that, we caught the moment.
Tomorrow, one more run for a closer encounter.
If whales keep a schedule, we're early.
These eyes have found thousands of spouts. Round 2, let's earn a close-up. That spout is bigger. That's a good sign. Everyone just lowers their voice. You can see the barnacles.
Match their pace. Never push.
Two of them in the same frame.
fin is like a white wing.
Stay sharp, stay sharp.
Sure. Even when they're gone.
Somewhere beneath us, a giant is gliding.
Let's hear who's down there.
It sounds like the ocean is singing.
Food's here, that's why the whales are here.
You start syncing your breathing to theirs.
That tail slap shook my soul.
Alaska tries to steal your focus, literally.
Every direction looks like a wallpaper.
Close isn't the goal. Comfortable is.
Okay, that felt like a hello.
If you close your eyes, you can map this place by sound.
We got our close encounter, and my heart's still racing.
Big respect to the people who do this every day.
Now I can't unsee the fluke patterns.
Next quest, get above the whales.
Vertical shortcut to the sky. Watched whales down there, now we're floating above it all.
Mountains don't care about your hairstyle.
Find something warm, local, and salty.
This is Alaska hugging you from the inside.
Rain returned like a familiar friend.
2 days, and I feel like Juneau rewired my pace.
Spout, fluke, waterfall, glacier. I'm not over it.
One last morning in Juneau.
It's cold, but it feels clean.
The city whispers before it wakes.
A warm cup is the best Alaska handshake.
Juneau is made of tiny details.
This harbor gave us the whole story.
Thank you. Thank you, Bryce. You're welcome. You're welcome. Huge thanks to the people protecting this experience.
Before I leave, I want to carry the culture, not just the views.
That tail, that moment, it stays.
I can still hear them.
And the ice and the water,
all in one frame.
That view made everything feel lighter.
Juno taught me to watch quietly and feel deeply.
Good night, Juno.
Next time, we chase another Alaska wonder.
See you in the next one.
Thanks for being here.
Bye, Juno.
One last sound. Night.
Stay curious.
Until next time.